Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Toyota Highlander XLE in silver with HID headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 9067A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.